Now self, okay, other options. Okay, if you want to buy, if you want to spend money, okay, maybe outside institutes. Okay, outside institute, I don't know, I don't comment it, because the more I comment it, people's feelings will hurt. Okay, but I can see, just be cautious when you are committing it. Okay, many people will come up and says, you just join, you don't need to prepare. Okay, we will tell you in 20 days, fast track. Many people now are telling fast track, fast track, fast track. Okay, for general basics, 1% of service now, 2% of service now, I'm struggling for 57, 58 classes. Even if we cover 58 classes, 57 classes also, we are not covering the full topics. Okay, before your batch I finished 20. For 20 a batch, we covered 57 classes, ma. It's close to 75 days of time I took it. You can see the first time and last time also. Okay. Even though we feel like, okay, we left with few topics. Last class they asked, sir, cover this please, cover that please. Okay, we didn't get time. And I given some external references, and then I told them like, this is how you can prepare it easily. Okay. So this is practicality. This is real. Okay. Now, if I say you just give me 50,000, I will give you fast track, I will support you proxy, I will give you support. Is that the correct way, ma? Yes, no?
No, no,
All right.
no, sir.
So many institutes outside, I can't comment everyone, okay, but many institutes are like that. So please be cautious when you are committing it. So other learning option is outside institutes, okay, and but when you are choosing institutes, be very choosy, very correctly, okay.